All right, so we're gonna start something simple. We had leftover meat from the other day. We shred it. We have the little great shredder that we have. This thing, now you put the chicken, you twist it, and look what it does to every single bite. Now, the rest of the bones and stuff, we just put it on the side. So we're gonna use this for our ingredients. It's gonna be, we're gonna recycle our food. You know, we don't want to get rid of all our food leftovers. We want to reuse them. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So we soak up overnight the lentils, right? And we're cooking them at medium right now. And we're gonna wait to boil them. And so we're gonna make the actual lentils into like a mesh so we could eat it with the meat and rice. All right, so it's gonna be more like a topping. All right, cooking some rice. You know, we need the lentils now that they're cooked. All right, we're gonna wait and then we'll start the mixture. Here's the final results. Chicken mixed with lentils, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and what else did you put in here?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, that's pretty much it, to make it that consistency with the turmeric, cumin, oregano, and a couple more seasons, salt, pepper, and so forth.
Oh, bouillon.
Bouillon, chicken bouillon too.
Tomato bouillon a little bit and a little bit chicken.
Oh, tomato bouillon and a little bit chicken and chicken broth. It's pretty good. So that is going to be a combination with rice. All right. Lentils with chicken, rice. Very simple combination. We didn't do all the ingredients, all the steps, because we just wanted to show you a healthy way of eating stuff. And this is reusing our leftovers from yesterday's chicken with lentils, tomato, cumin, chicken bouillon and tomato bouillon and rice.